Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Pineapple Builder and Codedesign AI. So to get started with a quick overview, Pineapple Builder is a simple and a clean AI website builder ideal for landing pages and personal or startup sites. It allows you to launch one pager with integrated landing or lead form, basic analytics, and SEO tools, all without coding. Its interface focuses on clarity, speed, and user friendliness. Talking about the Codedesign AI on the other side, offer a more dynamic, flexible website builder experience. It uses AI generated fully response, editable website with a support for multi-page layout, together with the drag and drop editing tools and tailored designs recommendation. It's geared towards users who want more control and customization for their AI tools. I'm talking about the strength and weakness of these two platforms, starting with the Pineapple Builder, revealing and analyzing the strength. It has an extreme easy to use and a beginner friendly, which is part of the strength of the Pineapple, and also optimized for mobile and SEOs. It also has a built-in lead form and analytics together with a grid for one page or MVPs, which are part of the strength of the platform. So talking about the downside of the Pineapple Builder, it has a limited support for multiple page or advanced design. At the same time, no drag and drop editors or fewer integration than other platforms. So talking about the Codedesign, the strength and the weakness of this platform, starting with the strength, it has an AI generated full multi-page site together with the drag and drop editors for easy changes. It also has a more advanced customization and the layout control together with the responsive design across entire device. And here's the weakness or the downside about this platform, which is called AI. It has a slightly steeper learning curve and also still growing in terms of template and integration. All the AI suggestions may require a tweaking before use. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website. Thanks.